guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, like and comment down below. Now I know it's been a little minute. I was gonna have new content, however I do not like putting out content that I'm not satisfied with, and I wasn't satisfied with the video. So for today's video I am going to be doing a little tutorial on how to do aesthetic I don't know how to say it. Let me ask Siri, make sure I'm saying this word right.
Aesthetic.
Aha, I said it right! We're going to be doing aesthetic background slash wallpapers. So it's kind of like vsco inspired, Pinterest, stuff like that. So basically I screen recorded everything and the steps. Download the Over app, which I'm going to show you. Here. The Over app, basically it's free and it allows you to create any wallpaper, obviously different dimensions, stuff like that. And basically in this app you can do everything: crop, edit, add more pictures, mark around like the picture. Instead of having like 20 apps trying to do one thing, you can just do it all in one app. Just remember, do you, boo. Do you. Let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so these are the apps that we're going to be using to create this little look today. The Over app and Pinterest. We're going to start off with Pinterest just to get some ideas, wallpaper backgrounds, stuff that you like. We're going to go with a black and white type of aesthetic look. So just want to look up things that interest you. I usually try to find like wallpaper backgrounds and then little things that I like, and then little quotes and stuff like that. Okay, we love this one. Save. Once you have everything done, you're going to go to the Over app. I'm going to start designing. Go to transparent and you're going to choose the size 1080. Make sure you take off the constraint proportions. Whoopsies. 1080 by 1920. And now you have your transparent template. And then you're going to start adding the images. I usually start adding the wallpaper like around everything, like the big wallpaper that I plan on using for the outside portion. And then I'll just add in the pictures and quotes in the middle of everything. That way I can just get everything on there so I can see a bigger picture of what I want to create or what type of look I'm going to be doing. Okay, so we're fast forwarding to everything on here. By the way, if you need to know which picture can be on top of which and stuff like that, this is where all the layers is. And you can just organize them. Basically, I just do that on how I'm creating all the wallpaper. I usually put all the way to the bottom because I just want that to be behind everything. And then I'll just fix things as I go. Also, if you want to change the color, since we are doing a black and white theme, that's what I'm going to be doing to all of the pictures here first. Just changing the color to black and white contrast. Okay, now that we're just changing the pictures from color to black and white, I also wanted to show you guys how you can take the picture and crop it. Basically, you're going to go to the mask option and you're going to crop around the picture
just so you can have the portion that you want or the image that you want. Basically, I just want me in this. So I'm just cropping out the edges. It doesn't have to be perfect because it's black and white. It's gonna go all together. And there's also different options that you can do when cropping around the picture or erasing certain parts of the picture as well. And this is the finished look for the aesthetic wallpaper. Now if you guys want to save this, make sure you click the yellow arrow at the top right, download to your phone, comment down below to let me know what else you would like to see, and thanks for watching.